أحمد محسن يا أحمد يا محسن أحمد محسن يا أحمد يا محسن.
Good as fuck, bro. This shit great.
Hey, I'm glad you like it, bro. Now we're gonna have you try the next sample.
Okay. What's different with this one?
This next sample is from a female cow.
My guy drinking milk before this one, and now this one is a female cow. What about the other one?
Well, what was the first one?
The first sample was from a male cow.
Male cows don't produce milk. They don't even have udders.
Yeah, bro. We already know that.
What was in that cup?
Trust me, bro. You don't. Let's just continue with the next one, bro. Forget about.
Mummy, why do ladies have balloons?
Balloons? Oh, well, when we die, they inflate and we float up to heaven.
Auntie Sally must really want to go to heaven.
What do you mean?
She
Well,
knows
they-
the fire's always sleeping. Why? Why?
The other day she had her balloons out and Dad was blowing them up and she said, God, I'm coming.
The child is innocent, but the father and the mother, the devils.
3, 2, 1.
His face. Wait at the time, then it exploded later. Why?
My name's Zoe.
I don't care.
What's yours?
My name is Ali. Son.
Allison?
Right.
His name is Ali. Alason. Package.
Alison.
What's your last name?
Burgers.
Burgers.
It's nice to meet you, Allison Burgers. You know, oh, Allison, could you please take your hands off
Oh,
my
he's
breast?
holding her bundas.
What's the breast? I thought you were a boy.
One pint in the cold food. Just like that. Salam, goodbye. The last one. Yeah.
من شر الوسواس الخناس قل أعوذ برب.
Can you tell me what happened again? Doctor, I will slap you. I told you I was just sleeping near my friend. He's a goalkeeper. Then the next thing, I woke up in the hospital.
You know what? Actually, he was sleeping. He was up. And he woke up like.
Can you tell me what happened again? Doctor, I will slap you.
Why did you wake the cat up? Look how many you were like, La'anatullah alayk.
تدري ليش الزعلان Mr. Bombastic Bomba Fanta.
The other guy can't even wash his hands, but this guy, he put the thing in his face. How he's gonna wash? He will look like this the whole day, bro. Speedy, get inside the car.
It's a waterfall.
Refreshing.
Why is my man doing something else? It's a waterfall. Desert, diamond dust.
It's read, bombastic, bomba fantastic.